Did you know that you could make over $1,000 every single month with side hustles that don't require a huge audience, a fancy degree, or even advanced tech skills? And the best part, it works whether you're in the United States, Africa, or anywhere else. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you not only know 7 legit ways to do it, but you also have a clear idea of which one you can start today. Now, let's be honest. Many people are working so hard at their jobs, but the paycheck is gone before the month ends. Bills pile up, savings look impossible, and financial freedom feels like a dream. I've been there, and I know how heavy that feels. But here is the truth. With the right side hustle, you can take control of your money, create an extra stream of income, and breathe a little easier. That's why I'm sharing 7 real side hustles that people are using right now to earn $1,000 or more each month. The first one is short form video editing. You can think of TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. This type of content is exploding, and creators and businesses are desperate for editors. And you don't need expensive software. Free tools like CapCut are enough. So imagine charging $100 for a simple video edit. Do just 10 of those in a month and you've hit your $1,000 goal. The trick is to create a small portfolio of 3 to 5 sample edits. Then reach out directly to creators on Instagram or TikTok. You can start small, deliver fast, and they will keep coming back. So the second one is UGC, which is user-generated content. And listen, you don't need thousands of followers for this. Brands just want regular people like you to record product demos or testimonial style videos, and they will pay you between $150 and $300 for just one video. Do 5 in a month and you're already at 1,000. Here's how to start. So pick a product you already use, record a short demo, and use that as your pitch when you contact brands or marketing managers. This works beautifully in both United States and Africa because businesses everywhere need relatable content. So the third side hustle is online tutoring. Websites like Preply and Cambly allow you to teach English or any subject you're good at. Tutors earn between $15 and $30 per hour. That means just 10 hours a week could put $600 to $1,200 in your pocket. And no, you don't need to be a native English speaker. What matters is patience and your ability to explain clearly. You can start with a lower rate to get reviews, then raise your price once you have a few 5-star ratings. Next, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. Entrepreneurs and small business owners are drowning in tasks like managing emails, scheduling, or data entry. So they will happily pay you $20 to $30 an hour to take that stress away. Even 10 hours a week adds up to $1,000. So begin by listing the tasks you're confident in. Maybe you're good with Canva or spreadsheets. Then pitch yourself on platforms like Upwork. Guys, please always frame it as, here is how I can save you time, not just here is what I can do. That is how you can stand out. Now, if you love social media, this next one is gold. And the next one I am talking about is social media management. Businesses are paying $500 to $1,500 a month for someone to run their accounts. And that includes posting, scheduling, replying to comments, and analyzing results. So imagine just one client paying you $1,000. That's your monthly goal with one contract. So to start, specialize in one platform. I'm talking about platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, and get result for a small business. Then once you prove yourself, upsell into a retainer, and that's steady monthly income. The 6th side hustle is building websites without code. Tools like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace make it possible to build professional sites without being a programmer. So many small businesses want a clean website but can't afford expensive agencies. Now, you can charge $300 to $500 per website. Build 3 in a month and you're over your goal. And you can learn with free YouTube tutorials, create one practical website to showcase, and then pitch local businesses. In Africa especially, so many small shops need this but don't know where to start. And finally, freelance bookkeeping. If you're good with numbers or spreadsheets, this is perfect. Small businesses everywhere need help tracking expenses, so you don't need to be a certified accountant. Tools like QuickBooks or even Excel make it easy, and bookkeepers charge $20 to $40 per hour, or flat monthly retainers like $250 per client. So 4 clients at $250 each, and you've crossed that $1,000 mark. So here is the big takeaway. Making $1,000 extra a month is not impossible. It's a choice. Whether you pick video editing, tutoring, or bookkeeping, these opportunities are real and people are already cashing in. The only difference between those who succeed and those who don't is taking action. Imagine being able to pay off your bills early, save for a trip, or just have peace of mind knowing you've got extra income coming in every month. So here is my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one side hustle, start small this week, and stay consistent. And trust me, a few months from now, you'll look back and realize you created something powerful. So guys, if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me which side hustle you're starting first. I want to cheer you on. And of course, check out my other videos for more legit ways to make money online. See you in the next one.